searching for that perfect legging that's going to give you that tummy tuck look and the butt lifting effect and have some resistance while you're doing workouts, then this is the video for you to watch, because I'm going to share with you 3 leggings that have that body sculpt technology, and then 1 bra tank that will go with any of these and just give you that slimming look as well. So today I'm sharing a review on these Fanka leggings and bra top, and then I do want to thank Fanka for sending me these items to review for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to share with you is this bra tank, and you're going to see this in every single one of the try-ons with all of the leggings that I'm sharing with you today. This is really nice because it's a seamless bra tank. It does come in 2 different colors. I chose the black, but there's one other color that it does come in. Black's going to be universal and go with any of your leggings that you have, from the brightest colors to the most neutral. It has these breathable air pads, and it's friction-free comfort. It has a 4-way stretch and gives you very good supports. I am a 36 double D, and I did pick this up in an extra large. There's plenty of room in this, and it does give you ample coverage. As you can see right here, it has the little bra area underneath this that has the elastic right here that is going to keep it in place, so you're not going to have to worry about anything. Love the way it has the big scoop in the back, and it has that really nice breathable, moisture wicking material as well. It's really great for workouts, and it's just going to keep you really nice and comfortable and stay in place and give you the coverage that you need. All the leggings I'm going to share with you today come in sizes small through extra large, and all of the leggings I did pick up in a large. I'm normally a size medium in most jeans and things like that, but I do size up to a large in Fanka leggings just because of their compression, and I want to make sure that it's not too restricting, so I always do size up 1. Fanka has so many gorgeous colors, so I thought I was going to just really get out of my comfort zone and pick some really beautiful spring colors. So the first ones I'm going to share with you are in this sugar pink color, but there are 5 different colors that this legging comes in. It's the Body Sculpt Resistant Leggings, and this is reversible. So I'm going to be showing it to you in the try-on with the sculpting, the 3D printing shown, but then you can reverse this and it'll just be the solid print. But I really do like all of the 3D printing that they have on here, because I think it just sets it apart than any of their other leggings and just makes it look a little different. So I do really like that printing detail that goes throughout, but you do have the option to reverse this and just have like the plain pink look on it. So this is going to give you resistance for your workout. It has the power lift technology, so this is going to help with tummy control. It's also going to help with the butt lifting, and it's also going to sculpt the legs as well. Most all of their leggings had this 3D printing, which I think is just so great how it helps with the resistance and everything. I just think these are so good. So these are nice to work out with because you're going to have that resistance in these. It has that nice high wide waistband. These aren't going to roll down, so you don't have to worry about that. It has that built-in resistance band, and these are moisture wicking, so nice and breathable, and a 4-way stretch fabric. And this one does have a side pocket where you can throw your phone if you want. So these are really nice if you're wanting to work out and get a little bit more of that resistance and stay all put together and just have that really cool 3D printing. This is really great, and I just couldn't resist this beautiful pink color. Next up, I have another body sculpting legging, but this is the 2.0. So I believe I've actually shown this to you in one of my previous Fanka reviews in just the first edition of this, but this is the 2.0. And what they've done with the 2.0 version is they've gotten rid of that front seam, so you're not gonna have to worry about any camel toe. These are also reversible as well, but I am showing it to you again with just this 3D printing because I like this look a little bit better than the sleek, just regular solid color. This is in Hawaii blue, and there are 5 different colors that this comes in. And this waistband is fitted to give you some tummy control, so they call it the tummy tuck technology. It has the 4-way stretch on these with the moisture wicking technology. And then as you can see right here, it's got this little design around the knees, so it's gonna help with knee support and joint pain. It also gives you some thigh support as well. As you can see in the back, all this 3D printing also gives a butt lifting effect, and then you have the thigh support with all of this 3D printing here as well. I think it's a gorgeous color, again, out of my comfort zone, but very vibrant and beautiful, and a great color for spring and summer. And then the last body sculpt legging that I want to share with you is this one. It's the Body Sculpt 3 pocket full legging. So it's got 2 side pockets here, and then in the back it does have a zipper pocket as well. This is the Wineberry, but it does come in 6 different colors, so you have a little bit more variety in this one. And this is a little bit more muted, but I think it's really beautiful in this purple gray color. This has target support with the power lift technology, so you can see all the 3D printing that is going to give you that support in those areas. Again, the knee support, the thigh support. It also has that butt lifting feature at the back as well. And then it's going to give you the tummy support, nice high waistband. All of the leggings that I shared with you today do have that four-way stretch, the breathability, the moisture wicking technology, and then all of the great 3D printing. Now, these are not reversible. So the first two that I shared with you are reversible. These are not reversible, but I just love this 3D printing, you guys. This is kind of muted. You don't see it as much as you do in the other ones, but I do just love how it has that printing. It gives you that butt look. You can kind of see right here where it has all that sculpting to give the butt lift. And then I do love this little hidden pocket in the back as well. All these leggings are so great. And I did size up 1 to a large in these. I just like that because it has all that resistance that is in the waistband, but it's not one that's compressing to where you can't breathe and you feel sucked in. It does kind of snatch you in, but it doesn't do it in a very uncomfortable way. These are really nice leggings. So I hope you've enjoyed this review on some Fanka leggings and a great bra tank top. So if you are interested in some new workout gear or something that's going to really keep you snatched in and give you that butt lifting effect while also supporting the knee, the thighs, and the joints, then you should really check out some of these great leggings that I shared with you today. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.